Welcome friends, Eric and Mario here with another fantastic listing at 572 Timber Village Road in Groveland.
This 2002 home features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,825 square feet, vaulted ceilings, formal living room, formal dining room, an open floor plan into the family room, a porch, and a fenced-in backyard.
The home is located in a quiet neighborhood, and we're in one of the best school districts in all of Lake County. You're just 15 minutes from the turnpike, and if boating is your thing, Mario, I love boating. There are a lot of lakes here, so many I can't even enumerate them all. Maybe they'll pop up around here.
Come on in, let's take a look together.
Follow us.
Thanks for checking out our listing. Tell us what you love about it. Was it the laminate flooring throughout or the high ceilings?
I'm a big fan of the spacious backyard and the covered porch in the back. Give us a thumbs up and share with your friends.